My name is Jimmy Donnellan. I'm the editor-in-chief at Culture Vultures, and I'm in charge of a website for writers by writers, and we've been going for 2 years now. I've had the opportunity to talk to many of my heroes during my time at Culture Vultures, interviewing them, getting them to write for the website. I had a BAFTA-nominated writer write for the website, so that was a pretty big achievement then. I took a course in digital media, all based around how to start a business online. It helped me a lot, taught me how to start my own website and how to market it, and it was a scheme at the time run by the Welsh Government, I believe. Someone who works very hard, someone who doesn't take no for an answer, and someone who's willing to take criticism on board and run with it. Yep, number 1, keep at it. Number 2, be stubborn. And number 3, don't make any excuses. One of the main things to consider when it comes to social media is consistency and knowing when to post stuff and when not to. So if you've got a marquee piece of content to go out, it's usually better to put it between 12 and 2 o'clock, because that's when office workers will be trying to get away with not doing any work or on their lunch, so they'll be more likely to read it and share at that time. As for gaining followers, one of the easiest ways to do it on Twitter is to hashtag things, mention people that are associated with your content, and then ask your contributors to share it around as well. One of the important things to remember is not to put all your eggs in the Facebook basket, because unless you've got the money to promote on there all the time, there's a chance that 10,000, 13,000 likes will only get you 100, 300 people seeing that, just because of the way they regulate it now. So I would say use other websites like Twitter that I've mentioned, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr. Reddit's also great for getting on there and just really utilising all the tools you can. But give people a reason to come on your page and like it or follow your accounts. Incentivise them to do so by saying, oh, here's the only place where you can see this information. Make them feel like they're really part of a family as well. Make them feel like they're part of a big group of like-minded individuals, and they will feel right at home.